What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's a special day here at Offbeat Motors because we're going to be debuting a new series. The series is going to be called Corvair Cancer Cure. Basically, it's a brainchild of my father, who is working part-time at a shop in Conroe, Texas, called Winding Road Classics LLC. Now, there'll be a link to their website, Facebook page, and all that stuff in the description below, so make sure you guys go ahead and check them out because his boss is gracious enough to let him do a lot of the filming and stuff there. So, without further ado, here's the old man. He's going to give you a quick little tour of the shop of one of the cars they're working on, and then he's going to show you the Corvair that he's working on. Enjoy.
Yeah, good morning. And welcome to Winding Road Classic, where I work part-time. I'll show you the old shop truck the proprietor has built. It's just a 6-cylinder that he went through, rebuilt it. It's a good old solid truck. Ain't fancy, but it's a shop truck. He's been in business for 7 years now. Been at this location for 4. And I work part-time. Let me take you inside. Alright.
There you go.
That's my boss there.
Hey, now you
Owner,
can make
operator.
a movie like Uncle Bob.
Yeah. There's a 65 Bel Air that we're rebuilding. Pretty decent shape. Been repaired, of course. There's a repair. It was done. I didn't do it. The boss did it yesterday. But it's getting disc brakes, AC, positive rear end, disc brakes all the way around. This will all get cleaned up and painted. There's the disc brakes. Oh yeah. There's 5-speed going in it, brand spanking new. Guy's spending $1 or $2 on it. Tires, of course. And I'll pick this up and show you the motor. Just a little 283. Been rebuilt at one point. We just cleaned it up and painted it. Looks pretty good. And this is the Corvair I've been working on. It's 1961. Put a new bottom there, new corner there, new corner there. We got that all cut out yesterday, and we're going to replace that with that piece there. We repaired window. This was all rotted out from there over up to here.
All right, Mr. Blake.
And we got all new floors we're going to put in it, front to back. I think the only thing we're saving is that area right in here. Everything else in the kick up there, that's going to stay. Motor's been rebuilt, drivetrain. It's all original, flat 6. Here's one of my repairs. Alright, we're gonna go punch in. I'll get back to you later. I'll try to get some more shots of this here. We'll see how the camera works today. I've lost 3 days of filming already on it. Well, we'll see if we got it fixed or not.